Unpack all parts and lay out panels. Remove all vinyl from parts. Identify the following parts. Attach the bottom left and bottom right panels to the stove base using 1/4, 20 by 1/2 inch bolts. The gold nuts should be facing the back of the heater. Attach bottom panels to the middle baffle pan using 1/4, 20 by 1/2 inch bolts. The front of the middle baffle pan is marked. Install the back bottom panel using 1032 by 1/2 inch bolts. Make sure all holes are aligned before tightening the screws. Attach the door hinge to the bottom left panel using 1032 bolts and K-nuts. Attach door to hinges using 1032 bolts and K-nuts. Attach the door latch receiver using a 1032 bolt and lock washer. The lock washer goes on the outside of the latch. Screw on the spring handle. Attach the top left and right side panels to the horseshoe collar using 1/4 bolts. Make sure the gold nuts are on the open side of the horseshoe collar. Attach the top panels to the middle baffle pan using 1/4 bolts. Make sure the gold nuts are towards the back of the stove. Attach the top front panel using 1032 bolts and K-nuts. Install the heat emblem using 1032 bolts and nuts.
It's all said done and it's up to me. I grabbed my dog and set sail to the open sea. With the fire sunset crashing down on me. With a little bit of love and a little destiny. Where I find my way and all the words to say. How much I truly love you each and every single way. Where I find me a spot that we love the most. We travel from city to city and coast to coast. We're gonna find our way someday, oh yeah.
Place the stovepipe over the stove collar with the seam facing you, then turn the seam to the back. Install the spark arrestor. Attach the top back panel using 1032 bolts.